Hey guys, it's me again, and today while I'm at work, well, I'm technically working, I'm going to be making Propolis mouthwash, peppermint scented. I have all my items here. I poured out the water, the propolis, and I have the peppermint, and I have my bottle. Let me show you. Okay, I have some propolis here in this dark bottle, peppermint oil, and I've already put 15 drops in this container, and then I have half a cup of water, and then we're just going to pour it in here, and then we have mouthwash. Let's get it together. So let's get our water, half a cup of water, and I use bottled water. $15 drops of propolis. And we are going to get 2 drops of peppermint oil. Ooh, hold on. We're just going to do it this way. Well, if I can see it come out. There we go. Okay. And I may make this again in a double batch. That way it fills the whole bottle up. Shake it, and you have Propolis mouthwash. Enjoy! I've had this soaking for 2 months. I'm going to strain it, and then this is going to be our tincture. So I have a bowl, cheesecloth, and we're going to pour this right in. You're going to strain all that out. And we're just going to squeeze this out to get all that we can. And you can use this tincture for many things.